So it's May the 10th, 2021, and it looks like the frequencies are emitting from my refrigerator. The right and left side do get hot. And that probably might explain why sometimes my food is frozen, but not quite frozen, like it's starting to thaw. But I don't know if that's because maybe when I'm asleep or not here, my refrigerator's unplugged by a Derby tenant. So you can see the coils in the back of the refrigerator. So it's either emitting from the back of the refrigerator or if it's coming further. And then you can see towards the ceiling that it is a little bit hot from where the smoke detector is. And I do get periods of time where frequencies emit from the smoke detector. This is at 5640 Santa Monica Boulevard, number 402 in Los Angeles, California, 90038. You can Google it or you can